What's up, everybody? Today we're going to look at another 2025 Dyson lookalike vacuum cleaner. This one is battery powered, cordless, super strong suction. It's got little LED lights at the bottom, super easy to use, lightweight, even my toddler can use it. You're going to get all the extensions you need, and has 3 modes on the battery. That's going to last you up to about 30 to 35 minutes. We're going to unbox it, test it, so stay tuned for the whole video.
What's up, everybody? We got this cordless vacuum. No matter how many vacuum cleaners I have in a central vacuum, these types of vacuum cleaners tend to last maybe 2 years because the battery. I did find a hack where you can go and take out the battery compartment, so take them out, and then buy new batteries on eBay for like 15 bucks, but then you have to do a lot of soldering and this and that, but it does work. So anyways, I want to get another vacuum cleaner, so let's open it up and test it out. It's got, of course, all the attachment, telescoping pole and whatnot. It's got strong suction, and it looks like a Dyson. The difference really between these vacuums and a Dyson is that the battery just lasts like 3 times longer on a vacuum that's Dyson. But besides that, to be honest, I've reviewed maybe 12 vacuum cleaners, including the Dysons. They're pretty much the same ones. Yeah, back maybe 5-10 years ago they weren't, but the tech is pretty much the same these days. They're just the components and the parts just die faster. Sure, you're gonna have a Dyson for 8 years, 9 years, and these will last you maybe 3 tops, but it's only because of the battery. It's not because of the power, okay? And the components just don't break. This is all molded plastic, right? Anyway, that's my thoughts on the matter. Also, these do come with stations as well, so you can hang these on the wall. So yeah, so it's got these crevice brushes, it's got all these stair brushes. We're going to test them out, but at the end of the day, we're just looking for something that's going to last us at least 25 minutes, and it's quick release and swappable. So let's just set this all up and test it. All right, so this is the vacuum. They gave you 2 HEPA filters. So there's a lock button. You press this comes out. You take this, and then you clean this under cold water. It's reusable for about 3-4 months, maybe even longer. They give you 2 pucks. Put the one with the tab facing outwards. These are plasticky, silicone, rubbery ends, so it's not going to break or anything. Put this in. There are 2 bottom clips here that locks into here. But if you're cleaning this, which you should, I would say every once or twice a week, depending on how dirty your house is, you take this, you pull this out. This is the cleanable filter as well. And then this is the flap that holds the debris from falling back through the suction cup. You press this back in. It only goes in one way. There it is. Notches here, and then there's notches in here. So it's going to lock automatically and not going to fall out. Now we're going to take this, place this down, and that's it. It just kind of clicks in. There is a button here. This is how you empty your chute over the garbage. You just put it over and press the button, and then it falls out. Take your battery. The battery is 550 watts of power, 2600 milliamp. This just snaps in. You're definitely going to need to charge this. There's 2 ways of charging it. The little tiny AC adapter they provided you with plugs in right here to the battery directly. Or if you set up your power station, it's kind of the same thing. You're going to take it and you're going to feed it through underneath, and you're going to turn it, and that's going to keep it in here. So that way, when this is hanging on your wall, all you need to do is just throw this on like this, and then this is going to start automatically charging the vacuum. So it's pretty simple wall mount. You take this, you press this over top, take this, press this down, and then this will hold your crevice brush and your other brush. And that's it. Now, in terms of your vacuum, there is a telescoping connection here. This all is with a quick release, as you can see, so you can do it this way. Press the button and release, or you could do it direct like this. Right? So then you can have a hand one like this, or you use any of the other crevice brushes again directly. Right, this one also extends out. There we go, like that. So this is great for stairs, counters, and things you don't want to scratch. And of course, if you attach this, then any of the additional brushes also get attached at the end, so you have a longer one. Now pressing this button is going to allow you to further extend, so it's nice and comfortable when you're holding it on the leg. This is just a standard default size, and again, it's got a lot of little grips, so every inch or so you can adjust it. So that's the assembly of this vacuum cleaner, and now we're gonna go and do the actual vacuum test.
All right, to get it started, we press the button, and then to change the power, there's 3 powers. You got it? All right, and then you can see the power. Okay, go, Zany. So that's the big pieces of paper. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Go over there, go back, and forward. So it sucks up all the pieces of paper quite quickly. You can see the papers are spinning. And we've ate up almost 9%. Okay, Zany's done. And we're gonna stop it by pressing the trigger. So let's go and just do a quick round over the carpet, because I know that this rug is definitely dirty. So it starts off with the low. You definitely go 3rd power. And there's something on here. It's not picking up. Oh, picked it up. And then you can see it goes under, but can we turn this? We can turn it about this angle and go into edges and corners, but it won't go all the way in. So it goes as far as this hole, but it does pick up all the dirt underneath. You can go in your couches with this one as well. These are velvet couches. Thanks, Bobo. See if it stands up on its own. It does stand up on its own as well. So I'm gonna see if this actually sucks up big chunks of dirt and debris, because we are actually doing a reno, and we wanted to see if it sucks up big chunks of wood and whatnot. So with one go, we're gonna go power 3. We're gonna go quick. Yep, it's on. All right, so we're gonna go and press this button here. Grab the crevice brush, and then we're gonna go. Nice. There we go. So again, you don't want to scratch your stairs. Alright, so we've been off and on for about 10 minutes. Let's see all the gunk that it picked up. And then you just simply press the button, and then all the gunk just falls out. So this is all the gunk that it picked up, mostly from the rug and inside of the couches. So again, even if you have a robot vacuum, an essential vacuum, these types of vacuums are definitely something to consider.